everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisya here. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below, like, comment and share this video. So as you guys can see in the title down below, it is my first time to kundasang with my family. So it is a full quorum punya trip to Kundasang, and we're taking our flight. It's currently 5:59 in the morning. Our flight is supposed to be at 9, so we gotta be there at least at 7 because we already check in online. So yeah, I pretty much want to bring you guys together. So I'll try my best untuk vlog, but if I won't vlog, I'll just do like some cinematic or some footages untuk yang cantik-cantik untuk korang. I just bawa this bag belakang because that's pretty much my whole outfit. We are going there for 4 days, 3 nights, Kundasang and also Kota Kinabalu. So yeah, I am super excited to go, and we are now going to KLIA first. Let's go. Everyone is already slept. So Aya's friend is picking us up. So let's go. Are you excited? You excited? Are you excited? Oh my god, the traffic in the morning is pretty bad. We are finally here at KLIA. I miss you, KLIA. Woo! It's been a while since I came here with my family. They are over here. Good morning semua. Okay, jom. Kita uruskan apa-apa dulu. Now we are currently just chill while we are waiting for our boarding gate to open. I rasa dah open. Ayah, kita kat mana?
Satu di
Sekarang kita tengah buat apa, Ibu?
breakfast.
Breakfast in KLIA 1.
Yes. So this is everyone's food. We just have like a simple meal.
We will have a lunch at KK.
Kat mana ya? Ayah tahu.
Kota Kinabalu.
Yes. Breakfast dekat KL lunch di
Kota
KK.
Kinabalu.
Are you excited, Kak?
InsyaAllah.
Kenapa kau tak excited sangat?
I'm busy postkan untuk Encik Ahmad Rama.
Okay. Hey guys, so kita dah masuk. We already board just in time. And yeah, it's my first time having a domestic punya departure in KLIA 1. So I'm not familiar with this place, but it's so nice to see. Okay, dah boarding. So now we're gonna go to Kota Kinabalu. Kak, Kota Kinabalu, here we go. Here we go. Okay, masuk. Here we come, Kota Kinabalu. I'll update you guys once we have arrived, okay? Or maybe dekat dalam flight. I think it is the same Boeing as SCI. It is so nice. welcome back guys vlog. Kita dah sampai di Balai Ketibaan. This is Kota Kinabalu. Now we are picking up our car because kita rent to go Kundasang. So I'll meet you guys there. Kita akan terus buat itinerary hari ni. So I'm gonna just re-top up my makeup. So yeah, let's go. So we already meet the car owner.
Dia sedap.
I'm gonna go to Kundasang. Jones. Guys, we're finally here. Because sebalik awan tu ada Gunung Kinabalu. We have another. Dan lagi berapa lama?
Kong lapai. Sedap.
Hey guys, it's currently 3:55 and we are here at Perangi Viewpoint. Tapi unfortunately, I mean faham je, tapi Gunung Kinabalu kita malu hari ni. Dia diselaputi dengan this cotton candy. So tak ada luck untuk bergambar dulu, but worry not, we are staying nearby, dekat dengan Gunung Kinabalu. So yeah, super excited. We finally arrived. Inilah Kundasang.
Makan kundasang.
And then that is Mount Kinabalu.
Mana benda
Cantik.
masalahnya.
So kita tengah ini first wilayah yang betul-betul meal. Sebab tadi ayam makan curry voucher. So this is the chicken, wing chicken.
Mana suka ya?
So cepat ya, bagi review. Cepat kita nak tengok. So hot. Cepat cepat.
Tak dapat dibayangkan sejamnya setelah duduk dalam kereta selama 1 jam, 2 jam lebih.
Ya. Ibu?
Sangat sedap.
Dengan benda ada ni ya.
Ya.
Jadi
Okay, let's try.
boleh lah belakang nak keluar.
Sedap tu.
Boleh kan?
Kat sini tak ada air. So we had to just use apa benda yang possible. But this is so good. Wah, panas gila. So, nama kedai ni ialah nasi ayam. Apa bu tadi?
Ayam Izzah.
Nasi ayam Izzah. And then, kita orderkan nasi ayam je. Because I ordered steam chicken rice. But it turns out, dia macam nasi ayam pelbagai. Ada nasi ayam berempah, nasi ayam penyet, nasi ayam hainan, nasi ayam madu. So, this is what we are taking. And then, kita makan ayam madu lagi. Okay? So, now let's take it. Hey guys, we have done eating. Tengok tu, betapa dekatnya the cloud with us. And then there's Mount Kinabalu. And yeah, we are ready to check in finally. Sebab tadi ada crash. So macam delay gila-gila. So kita macam tak dapat pergi mana-mana buat hari ni. Okay. Guys, look at what we found. Sebab tadi kita orang salah jalan, but turns out kita orang jumpa pelangi. That's so pretty. Hey guys, so kita orang baru je rehat tadi. And to be honest, there is no like nightlife in Kota Kinabalu or Kundasang.
Mandi. Saya pakai baju kelawar je tau.
This is how she looks like. I haven't washed up yet. Wani dah juga. So I just pakai je benda yang I pakai tadi. And we are waiting for ibu and ayah. Now we're gonna go have maybe mini dinner. Sebab kita macam kenyang lagi tau.
Dinner?
But look this. Look at this. Supper macam tu. Tengok ni. Wani tolong Wani. Ibu and ayah dah siap. Look at this one. Kita. That's so cantik. Okay guys, right down where we stay at, ada like night market, Kundasang night market. So we're just gonna stroll around. My mom is freezing over here, and dia dah start catching like cold, a bit of asthma. So untuk mengelakkan any health yang tak elok lah, we decided to pergi buy socks for her and find like some gloves because she's not prepared. Sedangkan mak ayah dah datang sini tau. Anyways, let's just go and visit the night market, okay? Kundasang buat apa? Boleh soaking.
Itu kan kasih awal.
I boleh bawa, but I bawa extra satu je. Lepas tu kan guys, I ada random TMI. Kundasang is just like Cameron Highland. They are famous for producing vegetables, fruits. So now kat sini, diorang ada a freaking, what is this called? Cabbage. And then we also have another, is this cabbage too? Isn't it macam salad? Salad je. Now we are going to mini market to buy some groceries so that we are not left hungry. Humble tak mini market dia? So yeah, shop like locals gitu. After going to the mini market, we stopped by at the
Banyak.
some like, you know, neteh punya place.
Nanti senang kalau nak.
And everyone is ready to sleep.
Nak masuk dalam beg baju masing-masing pun dah ada plastik asal.
I guess that's pretty much about today. I will meet you guys once we are.
Saya pakai baju
Huh? Okay, my sister wanna show her outfit, so let's show it. Okay, show your outfit.
macam keluar.
Slay. Wani? Ni ayah punya outfit, ini ibu punya outfit. Okay. Dah, kita nak pulang. Tomorrow will be very packed because we have a lot of places that we want to go. And it's gonna be like one whole day punya itinerary. So wish us luck. We need to get enough sleep tonight, or else we won't survive tomorrow. And then the next day, which is hard, and we are checking out from our hotel sabah. Like that was the initial plan, but then my parents was like very fond of that hotel, tapi kita tak boleh nak extend our stay because it's full. Everyone else dah book. So we will be going to another hotel, which I will be bringing you guys together too. So about today, kita akan habiskan kat sini. I'll just go back to our hotel, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'm not gonna record anymore. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everyone. This is how I look like for day 2. It's our day 2 in Kundasang. Aduh. So I punya ni. Okay, it's done. So this is how I look like. Let me just show you real quick. Everyone is getting ready now. It's currently 6:15. So yeah, I love the highlight. Okay, today's theme is green. This is our view. Tapi kita orang kena had to move. Okay, kita. And fortunately kita dapat the same hotel. So jom, let's start our day. Okay guys, it's Alisya and also Mak Kinabalu. It's a bit slay because matahari is from here tau. Oh, I love that sun kiss. And then here, do you guys like my outfit today? Jones. We're gonna go to Desa Dairy Farm today. And yeah, I'll bring you guys together. We are currently ready for our breakfast. Oh, thank you. Kita buat OTD check. Okay, we already got our food. Okay, Ibu explain. Ibu makan apa?
Maggi and bihun goreng.
Dengan ada sunny side. Telur mata. Wani?
Nasi goreng and Maggi goreng.
Okay, Kakak?
Maggi for life.
And I am having nasi goreng, sausage, this one. This one, kita orang tak tahu apa benda. But I think it is burasak. Tapi I tak tahu pun burasak atau apa. Kan? So we're gonna try. And Ayah is taking
Nasi lemak warna kuning.
taste nasi lemak from Sabah.
kuning.
Kuning. Okay, tunjuk.
Nasi lemak kuning, alipan kundasang. Banyak.
Okay, jom makan. Makan semua. Hey guys, I had to wear this sebab tak nak kotor. Okay. Tadi kita orang dah tanya dekat the waitress. This is not burasa. Burasa tu orang Johor punya. This is buras. Buras is KK punya. I mean kundasang punya. And macam mana nak makan? Ni pair dengan this one. So I'm gonna try and show you guys. Tapi macam boleh ngap je. Tak boleh bayang rasa dia macam mana. Okey, nasi. Tapi kenapa cecang dengan sambal? Lemak. Rasa yang sangat baru untuk saya. Siapa? Rasa macam tomato.
Makan nak tambah nasi lemak.
Kita rasa macam makan makanan Turki. It's a weird experience. But I'll try with nasi lemak dengan sambal. Nak ya? Mana?
Tambah nasi lemak ni tak?
So much better. Betul? Nasi makan dengan sambal nasi lemak. Kita orang decide untuk ambil je sambal nasi lemak.
Masih tak? Masih
Okay, ayah first bite. Kan? Kena kan? This is so our type. Ibu cepat bu. Reaction.
Sementara awak tunggu dia tu yang saya tengok.
Sambal dia memang sedap.
Wah, cantiknya.
Sedap. Selfie dengan kita. Cepat. Kita nak tunjuk ada awan biru. Tak ada selfie pun. Tengok tu. Okay, lepas ni kita nak pergi mana ibu? Sambil jalan, jom. Desa Dairy Farm. Okay, so we will meeting you guys later. Bye. It's currently 7:50 Kau apa sekarang? 7:58 and we are here at Desa Dairy Farm. Daripada tadi dah sampai 7.30 dah tapi dia beratur.
Oh yelah ni habu.
And then that is the Gunung Kinabalu.
Ayah ada
Cantik.
Ni apa?
Oh ya, kau macam ni lah. Banyak modelnya.
We are now inside. There's a dairy farm. Ayah is parking. And then at the back, kita ada Mount Kinabalu. And we will be doing some activities here. Sebab kat sini ada milk processing plant. Ada macam-macam untuk ditengok. So I guess let's explore together. But in the meantime, I'll be showing you guys like the scenery. I love this place because I literally got the sun kissed. So nice. Ramai because it's public holiday. But kata ayah I, this is like the main character of the day because everyone else is queuing up literally for them. Selamat menyusu. This is the processing.
Tambah dia ni tembak air dulu. Biasanya kan dia tak ada nampak air.
Belum lagi kot. Thank you
Kosong betul lampu dia kan?
Betul lah dia jaga. And guys, these are the view. Cantik, ada banyak spot untuk ambil gambar. Kita kena explore. Tapi kita ada nak pergi banyak tempat ni. So, tak boleh lama-lama sangat dekat satu-satu tempat. Okay. These are the landscape. Kita dah turun bawah sekarang. Way to Cow Barn. Apa ni? Agropan activity, milking viewing bay. This is our activity, which is untuk bagi susu. Ibu nak susu ke ni? Grass? Akak? Kakakku?
Susu air satu, sikit je kita bagi.
Okay.
Oi, semua pun nak.
Amboi. Semua nak. Ambil gambar. Wih, betul. Bawa sikit ayah, bawa sikit. Kesian dia orang.
Nah.
Ni cakap.
Memanglah
Dia cakap nanti kalau kesian dia, kau kena dekat sikit. Okay.
Sikit lah.
kalau tegakkan lagi cepat habis.
I am helping you out.
Tu dia tunggu je tu.
Okay, dah habis. Wani senyum sikit. Nak makan. Dah. The scenery is so nice, guys. Cantik. And then they have like this cultural dance. Ada zumba tu tengok. That's so nice. Dia baju itu cantik. Jom kita beratur pergi beli aiskrim. Hey guys, so now kita orang dah panjang gila tau daripada luar. Now we are here. This is dairy farm. We're buying the gelato. This is our last stop sebelum kita orang nak pergi ke tempat seterusnya. So we are both buying. See you after this. Apa ni? Nampak tak colour theory? Macam the glass thing lips on me looks different. Kenapa kau nampak gelap? Cuba ni ke depan sikit. Is it because of the lighting? Takkan kak macam oren-oren warna ni. They are making ours. This is the menu. That one the basic gelato. Me and my parents are taking the basics because I macam malas lah nak makan yang topping ni. My sisters are taking the toppings and she's making it nice. Ooh. Oh my god, that's so nice. Tolong zoom in tengah. Sedap tak yang ibu? We are taking Coco Crush. Ibu ambil apa? Chocolate. Mine is natural yogurt. It is from Desa Gelato yang tadi I tunjuk you guys. They are milking the cow kan. This is the gelato that comes produced from that. Wani punya passion fruit. So tunggu kakak jap and then we can go. This is the view. So nice. Hey guys, update. Kita dah keluar daripada kundasang. I mean the dairy cattle farm. So now we are going to Spring Garden for some flower garden. And then kita boleh pergi ke Ranau. Ranau is like so far from here. We are here at Spring Garden.
Sini jalan kaki. Ada motosikal saya mau sewa. Kita masuk taman luas di mana kamu jalan saja. Kalau mau tembus di sungai.
Jauh lah? Tak jauh?
Tak jauh. Belakang pondok atas itu nanti ujung itu ada jalan masuk kita naik turun.
Okay, thank you. Macam biasa, I am obsessed with flower garden. This is so pretty. Cantik sangat-sangat lah. Banyak. Okay. Jom masuk. Guys, over here we're just taking picture and I don't think I will be giving you guys like the footage sebab it's so tiring to take pictures while recording. So head over to my IG my sister's IG untuk tengok the outcome, okay? So till then, bye! Hey guys, so sepatutnya kat belakang ni dia ada macam sungai tau, but it's too far and I don't know where is this path leading to, so I don't want to take a risk. I'm penat gila tadi, I hike sikit. And now let's just wrap up our photography session. Tengok ni, dah banyak dah cari makeup dah.